I'm Nick Allen, founder and director of 3DPRINTUK Limited. 3DPRINTUK is a 3D printing service that specialises in batch manufacture as well as prototype. 3DPRINTUK are specialists in powder bed fusion technologies with over 10 years experience and 1 million models per year manufactured. We are one of the UK's leading additive batch manufacturers. 3DPRINTUK uses quite a lot of the DyeMansion kit. We have 2 PowerShot Cs, 2 PowerShot S's and 3 DyeMansion DM60 dyers. We use top-of-the-range selective laser sintering or SLS machines manufactured by EOS, as well as multi-jet fusion machines from HP. Every day we produce between 3,500 and 9,000 parts. Each one of these parts will go through at least one of the DyeMansion machines, if not all of them. The main thing we specialise in is batch or low volume manufacture of plastic parts. Generally, with traditional manufacturing, you would have to pay for tooling. This is where you would create a mould and then from there you would produce the parts quite cheaply. With us, you don't need to produce the mould. You can just print the item straight out, which means there's no upfront cost. Low volumes can be much more viable to produce via additive manufacturing. The DyeMansion equipment allows us to improve on the surface finish of our powder bed fusion prints. This helps a lot with our batch production because we are generally competing with injection moulds, so many of our customers want to get a surface finish that closely resembles that. The PowerShot here dramatically increases our efficiency with cleaning the parts off the printers. We used to do this manually, which took hours, whereas it now takes minutes. The DM60s allow us to dye our SLS parts multiple different colours and our MJF parts black. And at the final stage, the PowerShot S gives us that high-end surface finish that our customers like.